On Monday,
he ate one apple and one.
but he was still hungry.
But he was still hungry.
On Tuesday,
He ate two pears. But he was still hungry.
on Wednesday,
He ate through 1, 2, 3 plums. But he was still hungry.
so
And Saturday,
on Thursday,
he weighs through 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. But he was still hungry.
on Friday,
On Friday, he ate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. But he was still hungry.
on Saturday,
He ate through one ice cream cake and one ice cream cone, one piece of salami,
one pickle,
one pickle, and one piece of sliced cheese, one piece of salami, one piece of light bulb, one piece of cherry pie, one piece of sausage, one piece of cupcake, and one piece of watermelon.
That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate his way through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small home called a...
I want to read. A small house called a cocoon around itself.
He stayed inside for more than
2 weeks.
Wait. Then he nibbled a hole in the...
Cocoon.
and he pinched his way out.
And turned it into